Today's video is on how to request alternative format through West Virginia University's accessibility services. To get started, you will first need to log into your SAMM account. You can do so by clicking SAMM in the top right-hand corner. You will then be prompted to select which type of user you are. You can click on Student, and after doing so, you will then need to log in using your WVU ID credentials. Once logging in, it should take you to your SAMM homepage that displays it like this. To get to alternative format, you will need to click on Accommodation in the left-hand side of the page. You will then scroll down to Alternative Format. You will click Student Entered, and below that you will hit Upload Document for Alternative Format Request. You will then get this page for a new record. This is where you fill out all information pertaining to the textbook you are requiring. You will start by typing in the ISBN number, title, author, and publisher of the textbook you are requiring. You will then select the semester for which the textbook is attached to, as well as the course. Below the course, you will see a big box for a file upload called Proof of Purchase. This is where you're going to upload any textbook receipts you have pertaining to the textbook you are requiring. Below, you will see requested types of alternative format. You will then select which type of alternative format you would like. We have audio, EPUB, Kurzweil, publisher file, Word Excel, and a PDF version. For the purpose of this video, I will select PDF. If you're requiring more than one textbook for the semester, you can select Request Additional Alternative Format and type in any more information pertaining to the other textbooks you're requiring. If you're only requiring one textbook for the semester, once you've finished filling out this page, you can hit Submit. Once requesting the textbook, we allow 6 weeks for processing the request. The process will begin when the request and proof of purchase is received. If you have any additional questions on how to request alternative format, please feel free to reach out to the WVU Office of Accessibility Services.